Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can withdraw money from ClickWages. So this is the ClickWages application, and you need to click on cash out, put in the amount that you want to cash out, and then your details like how do you want to cash it out. But the truth is that this money will never be cashed out to you. Unfortunately, ClickWages is a scam. Some people waited like even 3 weeks, but like no money was ever sent to them. So unfortunately, you've fallen for one of those scams. And yeah, I would say that don't fall for things like these that tell you you can earn easy money by doing simple things, because money doesn't grow on trees. Let's be honest about that. And though it is possible to earn money through the internet, it's simply not as simple as just watching ads and getting 100, 500, or even $1,000. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.